Oh, sa ato gyud. We're going to the area now. They already cleaned it, Roger. Needs. They cleaned the area.
Boundary line.
The boundary lines.
Campus PS. Boundary na to.
You can see the post there. That's the boundary. So they're preparing this area for the ginger and for the water. O kana wala na nasa ato kay lapas naman ang poste at apil pa to ato.
Di. Kanang kana i-clear na to ang boundary.
They're now clearing the boundary, Roger. Needs. So
The boundary is there.
there's the boundary. You can see the post. Oh, so apparently, Roger, the terrain is not really bad as we thought it was. Huh? Ang tubig, toy, naman dito, toy.
Yeah. Kwandos ka. Kini-kini
Yeah, man ang tubig.
We have to develop the pond too.
Yeah, we will develop the pond here.
Pond too.
Pond 2.
Kiri ha, kiri.
Yeah,
Kini mga boulder.
where the boulder is, Roger, they will start the
Ato ning ano.
pond there. So they're cleaning this area. This is for the ginger area already of Pedro and Litoy. Oh, the terrain is very friendly, Roger. It's not bad when they already cut the grass.
Brushing.
May man di man kayo di ano, toy no?
Oh. Nangka atong boundary na ha. Ato na.
Nangka is ours boundary.
Nangka ato na.
Okay. This is the Nangka tree. This is the boundary. It's yours. Terrain is okay. Kat-kat ang ano dire, doy, ang ginger. No.
Kini ato mo ni atong developon ha. Ato ni paladman kini mga boulder, kini mga rock nga dagko. Mo na silbi natong ali.
The boulders ang himo mo gano. Support
Pond
para sa pond number 2.
Man sa pagsunog, masunog na ni kay.
Oh, masunog kay magamit man. Ibilin lang ang dagkog punuan noy ha. So that's our boundary. Na may dakog bato di diri doy no?